Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech TV. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Facebook videos not playing problem. If you're not being able to play a video on your Facebook application, then here are some fixes you could try out. Simply keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you can't play your videos on your Facebook application, then the first thing to do is to check if your internet connection is working or not. Turn on your Wi-Fi or your cellular data, or in some cases, you can also turn on your flight mode, wait for at least 60 seconds, and turn it off back again. Once you're connected to a Wi-Fi or a cellular data, go back to Facebook and see if that fixes the issue. If it still does not work, the next thing to do is to update your Facebook application. Simply go to your Play Store if you're using an Android, or if you're using an iPhone, tap open your App Store. Go to the search box and type in Facebook and press search. If you see an open button popping up right next to Facebook, it means you already have the latest version of Facebook downloaded on your Android device. If you see an update button, tap on update and download the latest version of Facebook. Sometimes because of the outdated version of Facebook you're using might be the main reason why you are not being able to play the videos on your Facebook app. Once you update your application, simply tap the open button to launch open Facebook, and now you'll be able to see your videos playing on your Facebook app. If nothing else works out, you can simply restart your device by pressing the power button and tap and restart from the options displayed. Reboot your system and launch open your Facebook application again and see if that fixed your issue. Those were some of the easy fixes you could try out whenever you're not being able to play videos on your Facebook app using mobile device. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.